wrong. Okay, go like this. Okay, you can go. Go sideways. Okay, don't move, lock. A little bit wider, that's it. Watch, okay? We want to, put your hand here. Yeah, we want to touch. Stronger, stronger, stronger. That's it, you feel that? I have to feel the substance. If it's totally empty, it's no good. And you see here, I'm only here because I'm going to be here. Can you see? No move anywhere, okay? Try to go like this. That's it. Let's break for lunch. When we touch, that's what we do, okay? Like a monkey. One thing you can do with the kids' class is find somebody strong like this. I actually get Chen shoes. You see that little baby? Okay. That boy, he starts here, jumps up, starts dangling on the neck, on the shoulder. He's like it's like for 30 seconds, all over the place, swinging everything. When you were young, you have to train like that, so that your body knows how to rotate. Otherwise, we're all doing this. We have to. That's the Tai Chi slide. So as soon as you touch here, instead of this here, can you? Okay, lunch.